If you steal a chocolate from a store, you'll be called a thief. But if you steal the whole store, you'll be called a businessman. Sounds insane, right? But that's exactly how the world works. A poor man who skips train ticket straight to jail. But a billionaire who hides crores in taxes, he's sitting in first class sipping champagne. Today I'll show you why the rich almost never go to jail and how they play a completely different game than the rest of us. Imagine this, your mom says, if you don't do your homework, I'll throw away your toy. But what if you tell her that toy is not yours, it's your friend's toy? Will she throw it? Of course not. That's exactly what billionaires do. Their house in their wife's name, their car on paper it's owned by a company, their money hidden inside something called a trust. So when the judge asks, give us all your stuff, they smile and say, sorry, I don't own anything. That's exactly what Anil Ambani did. In court, he declared his net worth is zero. He's completely broke. But in reality, he's living in a 5,000 plus crore house in Mumbai. On paper, they are poorer than you. But in reality, they are eating in 5-star hotels and flying private jets. Ever ask your parents for a brand new iPhone or a laptop or anything you want? And they say, we'll talk later. But that later never comes. That's how the rich treat the law. When they get caught, they don't fight head on. They delay. Case after case, paper after paper, and by the time the case actually ends, the story is over. Look at so many famous cases around the world. By the time the court finally gives a decision, the accused is already 70, sick, or even in his deathbed. What punishment can you even give then? He lived his life whole freely. He enjoyed his life. That's why you see scams worth thousands of crores and 20 years later nobody's in jail. Rich people know one simple truth. Justice delayed is justice escaped. Take Martha Stewart in the US. She went to jail for the insider trading, but do you know what happened? Her brand value shot up. She came out richer than before. For billionaires, jail is like a vacation home. They stay for a while, media gets busy, people believe justice is served, and then they came out stronger. Meanwhile, the poor guy who stole the bread, he spends half his life behind the bars. Different rules, different game. Have you ever played Uno with that one friend and just when you're about to win, he suddenly says, wait, you forget to shout Uno 2 times, so you lose. A rule that he just made on the spot, and because it's his rule, you can't do anything. That's exactly what billionaires do. They don't get just lawyers, they get politicians, lobbyists, and even change the law by itself. So what's illegal for you becomes legal for them. So now this is clear. Jail was never built for rich. It was built for poor, to keep them in line. This video is just the trailer. In my next video, I'll show you how you can use the law in your favor and do whatever you want, even if you don't have that much money. But here's the catch. I already made that video, but I'll only make it public if this one gets enough traction, enough likes, comments. Otherwise, it stays private.